Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am counting down our top picks for the best high-speed blender. Finding the right one can be tricky with so many options out there, but I have done the heavy research for you. Let's dive right in. Product number 1, Magic Bullet Blender. Grabbing the initial position on today's ranking is a brilliantly designed option. I am talking about the Magic Bullet Blender. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. Its layout is wonderfully straightforward, successfully eliminating any confusing learning curves entirely. It operates with remarkable stability, easily making it one of the most dependable and stress-free options available. The fantastic news is that this option fits beautifully into a reasonable budget. Check the link in the description for active discounts. Backed by over 120,449 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. Product number 2, Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender for Smoothies. Progressing further down our list, I find an absolute powerhouse of a device. I am talking about the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender for Smoothies. The build quality here is simply exceptional. It utilizes premium materials to ensure long-lasting durability even under heavy use. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. Navigating its advanced features feels surprisingly natural and completely seamless right from day one. Furthermore, regular maintenance is almost non-existent, saving you massive amounts of time and unnecessary energy. It has been thoughtfully priced to fit your financial comfort zone. I have dropped the official link below so you can monitor live offers. Backed by over 55,587 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Few options can confidently offer this specific level of comprehensive excellence without draining your savings. Product number 3, Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender with Glas. Moving on to our list, I have another incredible option that you should seriously consider. I am talking about the Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender with Glas. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. Performance-wise, it is an absolute powerhouse that refuses to buckle under pressure, featuring a streamlined interface. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. You do not have to break the bank to get your hands on this. Check out the link below to see today's lowest price. Backed by over 21,146 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 4, Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. The structural integrity is second to none, showcasing a robust frame that feels virtually indestructible in everyday scenarios. When it comes to performance, it solves common frustrations effortlessly, providing an incredibly smooth and versatile experience. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. The completely frictionless upkeep process actively removes the traditional ownership headaches associated with similar devices. I highly encourage you to tap that first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. Backed by over 14,661 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Ultimately, it is a deeply rewarding investment that genuinely lives up to its massive hype. Product number 5. Ninja SS151 TWISTi Blender Duo. Now, I want to turn your attention to a truly magnificent item that is a massive fan favorite. I am talking about the Ninja SS151 TWISTi Blender Duo. What captivated my attention was the exceptionally high-grade materials. It effortlessly radiates durability for your fast-paced lifestyle. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling complex and demanding tasks with absolute ease and zero lag. Navigating its advanced features feels surprisingly natural and completely seamless right from day one. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. The fantastic news is that this option fits beautifully into a reasonable budget. Check the link in the description for active discounts. Backed by over 4,582 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. That is all for today's roundup. Be sure to click the links below for more details and the best deals. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more reviews.